I think it's that time of year when the Jacaranda trees are blossoming. We'll go see. Boy, look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Purple haze. This is the best canopy of jacarandas on Santa Clara Street in Santa Ana. Angel Stadium with the ARTIC Center, Anaheim Regional Transit Intermodal Center behind, and the stadium. Recharging the aquifer at Santa Ana River. Heading home on the Santa Ana River, retracing my steps. Coming up to mile 9. And there it is. Just past mile 8. Just past mile 7. It's the countdown. And here's mile 6. Coming up on mile 5. And here's mile 4. Just a few more miles. And here's mile 3. Here we come to mile 2. I think you can see where I'm heading with this.